Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. We're currently looking at our new air handler control board in the 7AH1RE. The code that we're seeing is an E372. In this case, it means that our blower speed options have been mismatched, and in this case, our Y1 specifically to the Y2, we have our Y1 speed set to a blower speed tap 4 configuration. However, our Y2 is set to blower speed tap 3. So all we'll need to do is verify what the actual speeds are needed. In this case, a Y1 value cannot be higher than a Y2. So we could configure this to set the Y1 back down lower in this configuration with our number 1 off and our number 2 on. That would mean that we are in speed tap 3. That's also what our Y2 is set to. We have number 1 on, number 2 and 3 are off. From here, we can set our Y2 to either a higher value or keep it at the same if we are only running a single stage based system. We can see that our error code has cleared and the unit returns to a normal idle state.